Hey friends, if you wish to fix Office error 300881021 free space and disk insertion issue, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to free the disk space. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then go to disk cleanup. Click on OK and then select all of these options here. And then click on OK and then select delete files. The next solution is clean boot because it may be that a third party software is causing interference that is the root cause of the issue. So here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.